Unraveling the mystery. Subordinating conjunctions in questions. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our series on compound and complex sentences. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating topic of using subordinating conjunctions in questions. Whether you're composing an email or having a conversation, knowing how to use these conjunctions in questions can make your English much more sophisticated and precise. Let's get started. Before we dive into questions, let's remind ourselves about subordinating conjunctions. These are words that link an independent clause, a complete thought, with a dependent clause, an incomplete thought. Some common examples include words like because, if, since, when, and although. For example, we canceled the picnic because it was raining. Here, because is a subordinating conjunction that links the independent clause, we canceled the picnic, with the dependent clause, it was raining. Now, let's focus on using subordinating conjunctions in questions. This might seem tricky at first, but it follows a straightforward rule. The dependent clause with the subordinating conjunction stays intact, while the question formation rules apply to the independent clause. For example, why did you come early if you knew she wasn't home yet? Here, if is our subordinating conjunction. The question, why did you come early, is the independent clause where we have inverted the subject and verb for question formation. The dependent clause, you knew she wasn't home yet, remains in its normal statement form. It's always beneficial to practice what we've learned. Here are a few examples. 1. How can we fix this unless we understand the problem? Conjunction, unless. 2. What time will he arrive if the train is delayed? Conjunction, if. 3. Why did she leave the meeting early although her presentation was not finished? Conjunction, although. Try to create your own examples. The more you practice, the more natural this structure will feel. That's a wrap for this lesson on using subordinating conjunctions in questions. Keep practicing and experimenting with these structures in your everyday English. As you become more comfortable with them, you'll find that your sentence variety and complexity will improve, making your English more effective and engaging. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a destination. Keep going, and we'll see you in the next lesson.